With the best of everything, let's take a look at the Novete Ecody wireless doorbell kit with IP7 waterproof kinetic energy battery-free transmitter and plug-in nightlight function receiver, 500-foot range, 32 melodies available. Well, this is our waterproof transmitter. It has multiples for mounting. You can screw it in or glue it up. It comes with a nice little pad or 2 screws and anchors. In our kit. So the receiver is a very simple item. Basically have 3 buttons. You can choose the melody that it plays for the doorbell or select among 4 volumes. And the operation of it is extremely simple. Just plug it in, and our wireless batteryless transmitter generates its own current when it snaps. And you can pick it up and move it into the next room with you. This does take 110 AC current. This uses no batteries. Like I said, you can glue it to the door frame or screw it on there. Or what I have in mind is a butler function. You have somebody that's hard of hearing and getting on in age that might need assistance, then you can go and do what you normally do, and if they need assistance, they can hit the little button. And then if you happen to be next door, out back, or busy doing something else, then you can answer the call. So as I said, you have 4 volumes that you can select from, and 32 different doorbell sounds. Plus, on the face of it, it becomes a convenient nightlight. You can see that. Should it become necessary to repair these 2, and this came out of the box from the factory ready to roll, but if that is not the case, then hold down the melody button. It has a little musical note on it. Hold it down for 5 seconds. This will beep at you, and it's in pairing mode. Once it's in pairing mode, you just snap the link and it should connect. Very nice, simple, elegant. This can save a lot of steps. So I have an old 1950 house, and the original equipped doorbell, it quit working in the 70s sometime. I replaced it once, and I think the wiring for the doorbell finally rotted away. But something like that, it'd save a lot of time and effort. Good stuff. I like that. Very handy. Novete Ecody wireless doorbell kit with waterproof, IP7 waterproof kinetic energy battery-free transmitter and plug-in nightlight function receiver, 500-foot range and 32 melodies. Really good stuff. I'm glad I got one of those. You might think about that too if you have doorbell or summons problems.